Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Code Caffeine. Today we're gonna learn how to find the lowest common ancestor of a binary search tree. So let's get started. Before starting, I'd like to thank everybody for watching all of my videos. If you like the videos and the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Okay, let's get started now. So let's study the question. The question says, given a binary search tree, find the lowest common ancestor of two given nodes in a binary search tree. According to the definition of LC on Wikipedia, the lowest common ancestor is defined between two nodes P and Q as the lowest nodes in T that has both P and Q as descendant, where we allow a node to be a descendant of itself. Okay, so what does this say is that, let's say we have two and its two children, 4, 5, similarly 6, 9, 7, and an 8. So uh, we will be provided with a tree, a root of the tree, and two two nodes P and Q. So according to the definition of LCA, a common ancestor of P and Q is the closest parent that has both of it. So let's say P is 6 and Q is 8. Then its common ancestor, that is its common endpoint is 2, right? Because if it because 4 can't be the common ancestor because it doesn't have 8, the node 8. Similarly 5 doesn't have the node 6. So the most common is the 2 between for these two. The common ancestor is 2. Similarly, it also says that we were where a node uh, we allow a node to be a descendant of itself. That is, say let's say we are given P as a 4 and Q as 9. So we have 4 and 9. So it says a node is allowed to be descendant of itself. So 4 is the descendant of itself and 9 is also its descendant. So our answer would be node 4. I hope you got it. So let's start with coding now. So what we need to do is let LCA, lowest common ancestor, equals to null. Let's find it to null. Now what we need to do is make a recursive function const uh, get LCA, and we pass a node in here. So if the first thing we need to do is if no node return false, let's return the LCA. Now what we need to check is if okay, what we need to do now is const left node. The result will be get const left node equals to get LCA node dot left. Similarly right node will be node dot right. Okay, so this is our first. So what we check for our first condition. Uh, okay. The other thing is we return. So if left node and right node. Please bear with it. I'll just explain it. You know what? I'll explain it soon. LCA will be our node. Return false. Uh, if left node and right node. And the other thing is if node dot val. Oh, sorry. If node equals to P or node equals to Q, if left node or right right node, lc equals lca equals to node, return false, return true, return left node or right node. Okay, so what we need to do okay, I'll explain the code here. So what we did is, if there is no node, then we return false. That's it's simple as that. So what we did is, we now we looped it to the left side. We first left node equals to get lcn node dot left. So we call the function for this node, then this will call the function for this node. Now it will test it. mm, is left node, so, and at the end we have no node, right? So it will return false. So, and we it doesn't have right, so right node as well, so it will return false as well. So the left node and right node for the six the node 6 will have false. So this one, this condition will fail. Now node equals to p and node equals to q. Since let's assume 6 and 8, since 6 is our required node, that is p, right? uh, Node equals to p, so this will satisfy the condition, so it will move inwards. But in here we don't have left node or right node, so it won't satisfy this condition, so it will just return true. So this will return true to 4. Now 4 will test, the right side will return false, but this will return true. And at the end, as you can see, it if if all this condition are not met, then we return left node or right node. That is, left node is in here, our left node is true, so it will return, the 4 will also return true. Similarly for 8, uh, this will return true for the right side, this will return false, and this will return false or true, it will return true again for 5. So we will have true for both of this value, and hence this this condition will be satisfied. So if left node and right node, LCA will become node, LCA will be node, and it will return false, and it will end the execution, and we will return the LCA. So let's just test it if it works. hmm So what we have is LCA equals to node null. So get node testing case 28. If node, if left node and right node, LCA equals to node return false. If node equals to p or node equals to q, if left node or right node, LCA equals to node return false, return true, return LCA. Hmm. If node return false, left node, right node. Oh shit, we haven't called our get LCA. We will pass our root here. Yeah, so it's working. Now let's submit it. That's good. So don't focus on the faster than 25%. It varies time to time. So if I submit it again, it can change. Yeah. So uh, don't don't focus on the percentage. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye.